This is the Felco 801s, electrics. There's a few types of these. I think this can cut up to 30 mil diameter. There's a few different hand pieces. I think this whole setup might be $2,500. Hand pieces are about $1,200-1,400 approx. So.
And how old is this one?
This is about 6 or 7 years old. Still going fine. I've never had any issues with it mechanically. Got a couple of settings, wide open, double click. We'll bring it into smaller cuts. Double click again. Take your hand off. That's just a safety for when you're not using it. Here's your little electronic on and off thing. Shows your battery life, number of cuts, time. We'll have little different settings on there, small, medium and large cuts. Double XL, it's a real big one. That's the one the service people don't like to see, because that's putting strain on the machine, but they'd be happy with that. Some people have thousands. There's just a few other things, voltage of your battery.
Okay. And weight wise, in your hand, how is it easy to hold? Do you get used to it?
Yeah. That's probably only, I don't know, half a kilo I suppose, maybe. Wouldn't be a kilo. Yeah, you get used to it in your hand. The hand pieces up from this are a lot heavier, you know, harder to get used to.
And obviously you've used it lots so that you don't just trigger it off whenever. You're always conscious of when you're using it, because once you press that button, that's it goes.
Yeah, you take your finger off.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not using it, you're always in the pouch.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a look in here?
Yep.
Yeah, that's your battery setup. Obviously you can plug a little USB in there or whatever during the day. Charger, which is up at the shed. Charge in there, probably about 45 minutes an hour I reckon. Might be a bit less. Fully charged, really good quick charging battery there. Room for another battery if you can't be bothered for a few days, if you need another one.
I said, how much does it weigh on your back?
Probably 3 kilo I reckon.
You just get used to it.
Get used to it, bit sore first few weeks. You know you've been carrying it.
A bit like that first time at footy training or cricket training.
Yeah, that's right. But yeah, I don't really...
And the cord, does that ever...
Cord never plays up. No.
So does that unit on the inside, so do you change your cord at all? Like, can you really change these, or is that whole setup together?
Yeah, you can change it. I won't do that. You put it off, I'll put it on. So yeah, you can. It just undoes here.
Yeah, so you can keep the backpack.
Yeah.
And just change out the Felcos.
If you want a new handset.
Yep. So they're all interchangeable as far as you know?
Yep. If the cord does play up for any reason, you can buy them from the Felco dealer.
Obviously if you're not using it right, it will play up, so...
Yeah, should be. That's your Felco 801s.
And maintenance?
I get them serviced every year regardless, but they say every 400,000 cuts. Take them in and get it.
And you grease it?
Checked over.
How often would you grease them?
Every 2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
A couple of days.
And you just clean the blade? Do you clean it with anything, or just
sharpen it?
Just sharpen it.
Just sharpen. Maybe I'd check a little bit of crap around there, but When they service them, they'll check all the bearings and the motor and everything like that. They'll probably put a new anvil and a new blade in.
Yeah.
Make sure everything's above board. But once a year, like a car, you don't want to leave it.
They look pretty good.
Yeah. No, I've been really happy with them.
Well, they've probably done God knows many 100,000 cuts.
Oh. Yeah. I've got another old pair in a box up there. They just died.
What were they? Do you know?
I don't know what they were.
But these are the
801.
801.
But they've probably been superseded. It's not the 801 now. I'm not sure what it is.
So it's not like the other ones where you got the Felco 2s, your manual ones and that, where they sort of keep them standard. These ones they change.
Yeah, a little bit. The handpiece was pretty similar.
They keep improving them.
Yeah.
Ergonomic feel in your hand. Fits nicely.
Yeah. It's a matter of just going to the shop and the guy there will have 5 or 6 of these, and you can just have a bit of a fiddle around. If you like them. So yeah.
Well, they cut nicely.
So that's it.
Thanks.
So this will cut about that diameter.
Yeah.
There is a more heavy duty one than this. I'm probably pushing it to its limit there. 30 mil, what's 30 mil? A bit more than that?
Yeah.
That's probably what?
No, probably
20?
yeah, I'd
15?
say 20.
So yeah, I think up to 30.
Yeah.
These are getting a bit tired. I might need another handpiece next year, the guy reckon. This is one I reworked last year. It's underneath, but it's a bit strong. I'll probably want to keep it. See how that's dug in there. Try and just lean them on the wire.